In question number 7, see, in all the questions of statistic, they will give one table, frequency distribution, in which one column will be of classes, another column will be of frequency, and for that they will make their own stories, isn't it? Now in this question 7, but you should remember, in only on both the columns you should concentrate, you should focus on classes and Fi only. Now here also it is given that to find out the concentration of SO2, that is sulfur dioxide, in the air, the data was collected for 30 localities. Now 30 localities, that is sigma Fi is also given 30. Okay. If not, you can add and check, verify. You will get 30. Now data is given as below. Okay, then find the mean concentration. Mean concentration, that means mean we should find here. So first we'll find xi, class mark. Now to find class mark, what we can do, 0.04 minus 0, lower limit, divide by 2, that is 0.04 divided by 2, that will be 0.02. So 0.02 you add in each of the lower class to get class mark. So 0 plus 0.02 means 0.02. Okay. Then 0.04 plus 0.02 means 0.06. Then this plus 2 means 0.8 plus 2, 10. So now here one pattern you got, for difference of 4 is there. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 4, 10. So 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. Like this you can complete. No need to calculate for each observation here. Now see, we'll do step deviation method. For that we should find ui. Okay. Now see, 1, how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even number. Okay. So what you can do, this value you can suppose as a, or this value, no problem. Any one of the value you can suppose as a. See what we will get. Suppose this one as a. Okay. If this will be a, I told you how we can write ui. In front of this we'll put 0. Above this 0, all minus value will come. You can verify. Using this formula, you will get these values only. Below this 0, 1 and 2. Okay. So for even number of observation, difference will be there. You can see the difference. In all previous questions, we got odd number of observations. So above 0 also same numbers. Below 0 also we got the same numbers. But here it will be different. Now next column, FIUI. FIUI, this column. So 4 into minus 3 minus 12. 9 into minus 2 minus 18. And 9 into minus 7 minus 9. 2 into 0 is 0. 4 and 4. So see what we will get here. We will write total. This is already given, 30. Now for this, 18 plus 20 is 30. 30 and 9 is 39. So minus 39 plus 4. Plus 4, that is 8. So minus 39 plus 8 will give minus 31. Okay. So what we can write here? Minus 31. Now we'll write formula here. Mean x bar see, a we have supposed as 0.14. Sigma Fi ui we got minus 31. Fi is given as 30. H is 0.04. So how we can find the mean for this? See, 0.14 minus 31 by 30 into 0.04. Okay, so here see what we can do here. We'll remove one zero here, 0.14, and we'll add one decimal in numerator. Now we can cancel these 3 ones are 3. Okay, decimal is there, and then 1 we won't go with 3, so we'll put 0. Here also we'll put 0. 3 3s are 9. So 1.03 we can write. 1.03 into 0.04. So 0.14 minus 1.03 into 0.04. Multiply these two numbers. So before that we will avoid decimal. Okay. So 103 and 4. So 4 3s are 12. Okay, 4 ones are 4, and then after how many digit 0 is there? 4. So 0.0412 will come. Now to subtract this, 0.1400, because after decimal 4 digits are there, so this will be, so 8, this will become 13, so 9, 0, so 0.988 will come. So this is in unit is also given. You can add units also in parts per million, that is ppm. Okay.